Welcome back to the regular YouTube channel. Um, we have a flood advisory in effect for Crawford and Erie counties from 6 o'clock tonight to 9 o'clock tonight at 6:37 p.m. Eastern. Doppler radar indicates heavy rain. I'll turn this way. Here we go. Doppler radar indicates heavy rain to severe thunderstorms. Moderate flooding is ongoing to begin shortly in the advisory area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain has been falling. Some locations it floods includes Meadville, Corey, Titusville, Union City, Cambridge Springs, Lincolnville, Riceville, Catanoga Lake, Guys Mills, Cockerton, Sagertown, Hightown, Mill Village, Blooming Valley, Townville, Spartansburg, Benango, Elgin, and Woodcock. God. This is until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Time. This is Northwest Pennsylvania, yes. So, is this a flood warning or flood watch? No, this is an advisory. Advisory. All right, we're going to get off. There's got to be, I think there's a storm coming right here again. We have a flood advisory in effect for Crawford and Erie counties until 9:45 p.m. Eastern tonight. Here's the locations again. It's Meadville, Corey, Titusville, Union City, Cambridge Springs, Lincolnville, Riceville, Catanoga Lake, Guys Mills, Cockerton, Sagertown, Hightown, Mill Village, Blooming Valley, Townville, Spartansburg, Benango, Elgin, and Woodcock, all on a flood advisory until 9:45 Eastern Time. So, but I'm going to get off, and this is probably be it for the weather updates for today. Thanks for joining us here on the regular channel on YouTube. And everybody have a good night and stay safe if you're in Erie or Crawford County. So I'm gonna go. I gotta get off. We'll talk to you guys. We'll talk to you guys later.